Marine Collagen How to Use. Marine collagen can do wonders for your body, skin, and general health. It can help slow down the aging process and decrease the amount of wrinkles and cellulite on your skin. It also has important health benefits, such as strengthening bones, lowering blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation. In this video, we look at how to best use marine collagen so you can reap its many benefits. Why is marine collagen so beneficial? Marine collagen, also known as fish collagen, is extracted from the meat and scales of cold sea fish. It has been shown to have superior bioavailability compared to collagen derived from other animal sources. Bioavailability is the rate in which a substance is absorbed into the bloodstream. This means that marine collagen enters the bloodstream more quickly than other types of collagen. It also gets to work faster. Also, marine collagen is known as a type 1 collagen, which means it is particularly effective in acting as a building block for strong, flexible, and durable connective tissues, bones, and skin. How do I take it? The most convenient way to take marine collagen is in powder form. Using powder is also the most cost-effective approach. Natural, organic marine collagen is widely available in health food stores. The recommended daily amount for a therapeutic effect is a serving of 16 grams. The powder can be added to drinks and baked in foods. Despite being sourced from fish, the collagen has no taste. The simplest and most convenient way to take it is to simply stir it into a glass of water or juice. Just make sure you stir well so the powder dissolves completely to avoid any annoying lumps. Should you split the dose or take it in one go? In terms of its effectiveness, it doesn't matter if you split the dose or take it in one serving, as long as you ingest about 16 grams a day. However, if you haven't taken it before, you might want to build up your tolerance gradually by splitting the dose throughout the day. Collagen is a form of protein, and too much protein in one go can lead to bloating and nausea, so it's best to start off easy. Try one serving in the morning with a beverage, and then one in the afternoon and evening. The extra protein load may make you feel thirstier than usual, so always have water handy. When should you start taking marine collagen? Our bodies produce collagen naturally, but as we get older, the rate of production starts to slow. In fact, we produce 1% less collagen in our bodies each year after the age of just 20. This is why it is most beneficial to start taking collagen sooner rather than later. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.